Oh, that one looks like a dove. Hi, little dove. Bye, seagull. Oh, look at the babies. Oh, look at the crows. Oh, I love crows. I love crows so much. Oh, look. What's that one doing? You digging, little one? Oh. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, look, 3 Paddington. Paddington, Paddington, Paddington. You guys are all 3 Paddingtons. So let's count the Paddingtons. 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe he's a Paddington. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Paddingtons. Now let's count the white ones. Well, he looks like he could be something else, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 whites and 9 Paddingtons. Bye, baby. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, there she goes. Bye, white girl. Oh, there goes another white one. Hi, crow. Hi, beautiful. I love crows. Crows are the best. I love Paddingtons and Seagulls. Hi, Paddington. Oh, look at the baby sleeping. Oh, she's doing a CPPP. Good morning, Paddington. Oh, look how precious. They're waiting for me to leave so they could come and scavenge the last of this bread here. Alright, guys. Have a good day.